Greeting guys, so today I have found a new GoPro mount, which is the headrest mount. So you install the mount here like this at the headrest, and then you can put your camera here, and then it will give you a more center look like this, instead of the side window look like this. So I'm gonna do the installation now, and I hope it works. So there's a ball joint here. There's a ball joint here to connect the mount, so that it can turn to the angle that you like. So once it's fit in, you need to use the Allen key to lock it.
A few moments later.
Now you put it back. So after you put the ball joint here, then you're gonna fix this rod to the ball joint, and the other side also comes with the GoPro mount and the ball joint. It's pretty straightforward. Just need to release the lock, slide the ball joint in. Okay, and the other side too. Okay, and then lock it tight. Yeah. Okay, if it's too tight, just release it a bit, and then voila, it's done. It looks very sturdy, made of iron. Yeah, so now you have the center view of the car. Very nice. So I'm gonna test using it later when I start driving. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So this is the first test run of my headrest mount, and I hope that the view is just right. You can see the front clearly. I'm mounting the camera on my driver's seat's headrest. Gotta let the police to go first. Yeah, I'm mounting the camera on my driver's side's headrest, and I thought the angle would show more on the cockpit instead of because I tried to mount the camera on the passenger's headrest, but it seems like the angle is not so first person view from a driver's POV. So by mounting it nearer or on the driver's headrest, it will show more of the cockpit, but I'm not too sure about the front view. Is it as clear as what I used to mount it on my side window? This is a thing that I can only see the result after I got back home and upload the video to my computer. And I'm not sure whether the voice capture is as clear as the side window mounting. But anyway, the best thing about having a headrest mount is that you can avoid this A-pillar blocking the view. But I hope this rear mirror is not too low until it blocks the entire view, the front view. Yeah, this headrest mount, I found it on Taobao. The cost of the headrest mount is about 60 ringgit after conversion. 60 ringgit for a steel iron headrest mount. I would say the price is okay. Just that I hope the angle is good enough. It's good, better than my side mirror mount. So if this headrest mount is giving me a better result from my side window mount angle, I'll be using this for all my driving vlog. Okay, that's all for today.